Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, with a tailgate step. You got your backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards on either side, with side view camera, blind spot detection, turn light, spotlight indicated, and moving to the front, we got a nice black hood deflector, recovery hooks, front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, floor mats, carpet interior, we got cup holders and storage, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, and of course we do get a split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks. We do get tailgate lights, spotlights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 4 kilometers. We got this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our screen here, we do get My View, trip and field gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we get tons of storage. You got your cup holders. This does collapse. More storage with outlets. Leather-wrapped center console with tons of storage underneath. We do get dry modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive. Trailer brake, pro trailer assist with heated front seats and dual climate. We do get a 12 volt and 120 volt storage above, below, and on the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We got our auto stop, auto start, hazard distractions, and your 360 view. Got your sources here, so your AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM for your audio, phone, navigation, search recent saved, and you can have your audio open at the same time, fave apps such as messaging and email. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the app CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD27896, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.